Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Cerave Baby Wash and Shampoo. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars and it's a #1 bestseller on Amazon. Give your baby the care they deserve with Cerave Baby Wash and Shampoo. Specially formulated with pediatric dermatologists, this tear-free formula gently cleanses and nourishes your little one's sensitive skin and hair with essential ceramides to help maintain their delicate skin barriers and vitamin-rich ingredients to soothe. Is designed to keep skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. Free from harsh chemicals, fragrance, and parabens, this all-in-one wash and shampoo is hypoallergenic and suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Make bath time worry-free, knowing you're giving your baby the safest dermatologist-recommended care. Wet your baby's skin and hair with lukewarm water. Apply a small amount of the wash and shampoo to your hands or a washcloth. Gently massage it into your baby's skin and scalp, creating a light lather. Rinse thoroughly with water to ensure no residue is left behind. Pat dry with a soft towel, and for best results, follow up with a gentle baby moisturizer like Cerave Baby Moisturizing lotion. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.